What do you have today?
I have pasta.
I love pasta.
Put some cheese in it. Pour it in. Okay. Let's throw it up. I hear words.
Maybe it's trying to get the pasta.
Yeah. Don't have to get pasta.
Maybe you should put the lid on it.
No.
Okay.
What is this?
It's for spooning the pasta.
Well, I can do it.
It's a scooper.
I can scoop it up. I can scoop it up. I did it. It's a meatball.
Do you like meatballs?
No, you like it.
But you could like it too.
No.
Oh. What do you like to eat, ma'am?
Nothing. I don't like to eat nothing.
You don't like any food?
No. Ma'am,
Yes.
I dropped the food. The pasta. I was kidding. I was kidding them. We're not getting the pasta.
I hope not.
Just go up in the sky. I dropped it again. Very good. Okay, now. Oops, and a food. I was kidding. Eat it. Take it.
I do.
Your turn. Wait, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.